In today's video, we examine the top washing machines that stand out in 2025. From smart features to energy efficiency, we'll break down the best options for every home, so let's start. The LG WM4000 HWA Smart Front Load Washer is a high-performance appliance designed to elevate your laundry experience with innovative features and cutting-edge technology. Its 4.5 cubic foot capacity provides ample space for large loads, making it a practical choice for families. This washer combines efficiency with versatility, offering advanced features like Turbo Wash 360 technology, which reduces wash time by up to 30% using powerful multi-angle water jets. It ensures deep cleaning while saving time and energy. The inclusion of steam technology effectively removes stubborn stains and odors penetrating fabrics for a gentler and more thorough wash. It's especially beneficial for allergen removal or refreshing lightly worn clothes. Additionally, the washer's smart functionality powered by LG ThinQ allows you to control and monitor it remotely via a smartphone app. You can download custom wash cycles, receive cycle completion notifications, and troubleshoot potential issues seamlessly. With a sleek modern design and user-friendly controls, the LG WM4000 HWA is as stylish as it is functional, perfectly complementing any laundry room. This washer is ideal for those seeking a blend of performance, convenience, and cutting-edge technology in their home appliances. The Samsung Smart Front Load Washer is a cutting-edge appliance designed for convenience, performance, and modern households. This washer features a spacious 5.0 cubic feet capacity, ideal for large families or bulky laundry like comforters. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, it integrates seamlessly with the Samsung SmartThings app, enabling you to monitor and control cycles remotely. The washer boasts 23 versatile washing cycles, including specialized options like steam, sanitize to eliminate bacteria and allergens, and super speed wash, which cleans full loads in just 28 minutes without compromising quality. Its vibration reduction technology plus ensures quieter operation, making it suitable for homes where noise is a concern. The sleek design, highlighted by a scratch-resistant tempered glass door, fits perfectly into modern laundry spaces. Energy efficiency is another highlight, as this washer is Energy Sanity Star certified, helping you save on utility bills while reducing your environmental footprint. It also includes self-cleaning features to maintain its performance and longevity, making it a reliable choice for your laundry needs. The Speed Queen Heavy Duty Top Load Washer TR7003WN is a robust washing machine designed for those seeking reliability and durability. Known for its industrial-grade construction, this model features a powerful agitator that ensures effective cleaning even for heavily soiled clothes. One of its standout features is the simple control interface, offering multiple cycle options like normal, ECO, heavy-duty, delicates, and permanent press. It also includes a heavy soil option for tough stains, which increases agitation and wash time for a deeper clean. With a solid 7-year warranty, it stands out as a long-lasting option, especially for large families or households with frequent laundry needs. The washer also uses auto-fill technology to adjust water levels based on load size, making it more efficient. Despite its power, it's designed to be user-friendly with easy-to-understand controls that add to its appeal. If you're looking for a machine built to handle tough laundry loads, over the long term, the Speed Queen TR7003 WN is a top contender. The LG Wash Tower Laundry Center is a space-saving all-in-one laundry solution combining a stacked washer and dryer into a sleek modern design. This innovative system includes the LG WM3998 HBA front load washer and the LG DLEX8100V dryer. The Wash Tower offers several standout features such as the AI-powered Turbo Wash and Turbo Steam technology, which ensures a faster, more efficient wash and dry cycle, ideal for busy households. Its integrated controls make operation easy, as they're conveniently located at eye level, eliminating the need to bend down. Additionally, the LG Wash Tower's advanced features include Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control and monitoring through the LG ThinQ app, customizable drying settings, and energy-efficient options to save on utility bills. The washer also has a large capacity accommodating up to 4.5 cubic feet of laundry, while the dryer can handle up to 7.4 cubic feet, providing ample space for larger loads. Designed to handle a variety of fabrics, the LG Wash Tower ensures optimal results with features like allergen reduction, steam cleaning, and a variety of specialized cycles. Whether you're dealing with delicate fabrics or heavy-duty laundry, this unit provides flexibility and convenience. The LG Wash Tower is designed with both style and functionality in mind, making it an excellent choice for modern homes where space is a premium. Its sleek vertical design fits seamlessly into smaller laundry rooms, offering a compact yet powerful solution. The unit features LG's patented Turbo Wash technology, ensuring that laundry is completed quickly without compromising on cleanliness. Additionally, the washer and dryer are both ENERGY STAR certified, meaning they use less energy and water, making them an environmentally friendly and cost-effective option. With an intuitive interface and a variety of cycle options, it caters to a wide range of laundry needs, from everyday loads to more delicate fabrics. Plus, the inclusion of steam cycles enhances sanitation, helping to reduce allergens and bacteria, making it an ideal choice for households with allergy sufferers or young children. The Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer is a compact, space-saving appliance designed for individuals or small households with limited space. With a 0.9 cubic foot capacity, it offers the convenience of washing up to 6.6 pounds of laundry at a time. Ideal for apartments, dorms, or RVs. It features a simple user-friendly control panel and multiple wash cycles, including regular, heavy, and gentle options to cater to various fabric needs. This portable washer is designed with ease of use in mind, offering adjustable water levels and a quick connect adapter for easy hookup to a faucet. The washer also includes a drain pump for efficient water removal after washing, ensuring smooth and convenient operation. Despite its compact size, it delivers a solid washing performance, handling everything from clothes to small linens with minimal water usage. Perfect for those in need of a practical and energy-efficient laundry solution. The Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify their laundry experience without the need for a large stationary machine. The Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer stands out for its convenience and versatility, especially for users with limited space. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to move, and its ability to be hooked up to standard faucets makes it an ideal solution for renters or those in smaller living situations. Despite its size, it delivers efficient cleaning with multiple wash cycle options, offering a practical alternative to traditional washers without sacrificing performance. Its affordable price point and easy storage also make it an attractive option for anyone needing a compact laundry solution that doesn't compromise on effectiveness.